Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. Lazy topic to make money. Yes, you heard it right. In this fast pace, we all want to find smart and efficient way to earn some extra cash. So sit back, relax and get ready to earn some quick passive income. First on our list is affiliate marketing. Now, this is fantastic way to make money without putting in a lot of effort. All you need is a computer and internet and a strong online presence. Simply sign up for affiliate programs, promote products or services through your unique referral link and earn commission for every sale made through your link. Do read the terms and conditions before you take step into this. This is very similar to refer and earn. Try it and you can get some amazing gifts too. Method number 2 is to create online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, share your knowledge with others and get paid for it. Start with your college junior and then go broader in the reach. You can also use platforms like Udemy or even YouTube to make and sell courses without any technical hassle. Once you have created your course, it can generate passive income for years to come. Now that we have talked about YouTube, another trick is by content creation on social media. Share your unique ideas, skills, hobbies, or experiences with the world and monetize your channel through ads, brand sponsorship, and even merchandise. So, there you have it. These lazy topics to make money, whether it's affiliate marketing, creating online course, starting a YouTube channel, there is a great way to generate extra income without breaking a sweat. Remember, it's important to find something you are genuinely interested in, as it will make the journey more enjoyable. So explore these lazy money making opportunity. Take action and start earning the extra cash today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you.